Hi, I'm Alnoor. We live in polarizing times. There's a lot that's going on in the world. However, each one of us can make a difference. Each one of us can be a change maker. Each one of us can be the light that that's the meaning of my name, Alnoor, the light. Can be a light in somebody's life. And we can start by doing small things, baby steps, micro steps for massive impact. This week, I was recognized by the Global Goodwill Ambassadors, a network of individuals who are changing the world, making a difference. And what are they? What is their mission? What are their values? These values are very strong, in my belief too, is making an impact. And some of the things that they do are mental health. And I've been delivering cognitive behavior therapy workshops for the past, since 2014 as a volunteer. They talk about gender parity. Another thing, I was in China and my student actually delivered that as a closing 6-month graduation speech because she knew that it was something that I was passionate about. Women's development, world peace, oh my gosh, the list goes on and on. And so to be recognized by Michael O'Connor, who nominated me, thank you ever so much. And thank you, Richard Apila and Lisa Jones, for this amazing recognition. My heart is full, and my chai cup is bringing me so much joy as well. So enjoy your day, reach out and connect with each other, and be a light in someone's life. Thank you ever so much for watching.